Do you dream of building real wealth, but wonder if it's actually possible in just 5 years? We're diving into the realistic blueprint for building wealth over the next half-decade. Let's start with a crucial truth. Building significant wealth in 5 years requires discipline, strategy, and realistic expectations. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a dedicated journey. Every great financial structure starts with a solid foundation. For wealth building, this means achieving core financial health before aggressive growth. The first step is tackling high-interest debt, especially credit cards. The interest payments actively sabotage your saving and investing efforts. Prioritize paying these off immediately. Next, build a robust emergency fund, covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This prevents unexpected life events from derailing your 5-year wealth plan. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for savings and investments so you pay your future self first, removing the decision-making friction. The fastest way to accelerate wealth building in 5 years is simple. Increase your income and your savings rate. Let's look at how. Make sure your primary job is paying you what you're worth. Negotiate a raise, or if necessary, seek a higher-paying role to maximize your earning potential. Consider a side hustle or developing a high-income skill. This could provide an immediate injection of capital that rapidly speeds up your wealth accumulation goal. Aim to save and invest aggressively, targeting 20% or more of your gross income. The higher your savings rate now, the sooner you'll hit your financial goals. Once the foundation is set and your income is maximized, it's time to put your money to work through strategic investing. This is where real growth happens. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like your 401k, IRA, and HSA. These tools offer powerful tax breaks that accelerate your returns. Focus on low-cost index funds for diversification and steady, market-rate returns. Avoid trying to pick individual stocks, which adds unnecessary risk over a short 5-year timeframe. While earning more is important, controlling what you spend is equally critical. Smart management of your expenses protects your savings rate. Track every dollar you spend. Identify and optimize the biggest line items in your budget, such as housing, transportation, and food, to free up capital for investing. Be vigilant against lifestyle inflation. As your income rises, resist the urge to immediately upgrade your spending. Keep your spending low to funnel more into investments. Wealth building is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. Regular review ensures you stay on track and allows you to adjust to market changes or personal circumstances. Schedule an annual checkup to review your net worth, your budget, and your investment portfolio's performance. Make adjustments where necessary to maintain momentum. Based on your review, adjust your goals for the remaining time. Are you exceeding expectations? Can you increase your savings rate even more? Stay agile. Building real wealth in 5 years is possible through consistency, dedication, and strategic choices. Stick to your plan and watch your financial future